Hello everyone. Today I am going to share my view on Power BI project. So when I get a project from the client, they are having the requirements how the report should perform in their web page. So they are integrating the report in React application. So they need a best visualization tool to interact with less performance issues. So we try to figure out and make them use Power BI because now Power BI is most using BI tool which is created by Microsoft. It is faster and having more features to interact more with the end user. Instead of a developer, it is much user friendly and easier to understand. Here they given one database which are having categories and fact like records. So categories are a dim table which is useful for filters and any data analytics process, and they need output by displaying key metrics and slicers to check which particular point of time they are getting major contribution and their sales. So why we told the client to use Power BI because of these techniques are already available in Power BI, the ETL process, data modeling and DAX queries. So these are used to enhance the report usage without having any third party or any another connector to be used. So everything is placed in Power BI for better walkthrough, and performance analyzer is used to check our report is performing faster or any lagging in particular chart, whether it taking time, so we can debug and change its way on the report. So by this we can achieve our report much faster. And coming to the Power BI, there are so many features which are available in the marketplace. So selection pane is a good feature to select to align the elements in a report, and bookmarks is like for buttons to traverse from one place to another in a report. The bookmarks are very helpful because by this we can achieve page navigation. And with ETL process we can transform, add, extract, and through pattern recognition the user have less effort and they can achieve more control to the report. So it is a better useful for a developer to develop any page without any hindrances. Well, coming to the data modeling, a data warehouse should have a star schema to well perform data warehouse actions very quicker. Instead of showing and we are having some storage concerns, but a star schema would perform much faster than a snowflake schema. So these are the techniques we have used in a project to achieve much performance and try to achieve minimize the data sets into 70% down, so the report must be faster, and Power BI use better compress. And while working with the Blackcoffer team, I felt free, and most of my doubts will be discussed and clarified through the team. The team are very helpful. They can move from one project to another project if they are having any doubts. So the doubt clarification is also good, and commitment to the members who are interns and joined as associates. So their help and support was more, and I appreciate that, and I'm having very free time with all of them. So I'm Kishore. I have been working as a data science associate from last 1 month, and I'm thankful for everyone being such friendly. Thank you.